So here's some lumber. I used it as my beehive protection. This was outside, protected by a roof, but for a good 10 years, maybe 10, 15 years. And the reason I use this lumber in the first place because it's just so crooked. I don't know if you can tell, but it's wavy. Yeah, you can see there. So I cut them into thinner boards, but yeah, look at it wobble. And at the time, that's what I had to use. Well, I had this lumber available, so I decided to use it for my beehive protection. And then on the outside of that, I had spikes coming out to stop the bear from getting them, because they destroyed them one evening. So it happens to be very curly hard maple. Beautiful stuff. And I thought, well, for this project, I only need short pieces, like about from here to there. That's it. So in that distance, there's not that much warpage. I could probably live with it. So I can get a few of them out of this one and a few out of this one. Now planing it, though, I wanted to say some words about planing it. So because your grain is going this way, kind of looping, if you turn the planer down much at all, it wants to pull those out. Pull them right out so you don't get a smooth cut. You can see a little bit maybe right there that pulled out. Not too well. Yeah, you can kind of feel it's not as smooth in some of these spots. But it's pretty darn good. What I did was, first of all, my blades are pretty sharp. And normally I would go a half a turn. When it's a wide board, really hard, a quarter of a turn. This stuff, like an eighth of a turn each time. So you got to take your time planing it so you get a smoother job. Okay, so curly, hard maple. Plane it slow, a little bit at a time. Nice, sharp blades. A beautiful material.